Marche and Alvaro. You know, Isaac, a debate is a formal contest in which the affirmative and negative sides of a proposition are advocated by opposing speakers.
That's right, Kirby. A debate is a good way of encouraging critical thinking and personal expression. But you're exactly right. A debate is a discussion between two sides with different points of view.
And thanks to the Dallas Urban Debate League, students in the Dallas ISD are agreeing to disagree on a regular basis.
Without an inherent barrier, as I said in my constructive argument, there is no need for a plan, there are no harms, and their plan solves for nothing.
Policy debate in the United States has the same topic nationwide every year. This year, the national topic concerns public aid to sub-Saharan Africa. Every high school in America debates this topic, and every high school in America has this conversation with one another. It ends up really making experts out of a lot of students, and they genuinely know much more about this issue than just about anyone on the planet. Tournaments generally start for the students after school, and they're ready to compete. They come there, they're very enthusiastic, and one of our tasks is to get them calm down a little bit, get ready to compete, get back in the thinking process, and just get out of it's like they're going into a football game.
The business community has been very supportive of this effort by the Dallas ISD and the Dallas Urban Debate League.
As have private citizens, so much so that the program has been funded for the first 2 years by private and foundation donations alone.
There's anti-racial violence.
The qualities that I'm looking for in a student is someone that has the ability to think, analytical skills to analyze information, good readers, motivated, willing to learn, and willing to compete.
Can you answer the question yes or no? Do you have a definition of sport?
I'm going to get to it.
But I don't need to know that you're helping Africa. I just need to know the definition.
I need that to work on.
But that's not what I'm asking for, though, so...
Well, competing against other schools in Dallas ISD, it does get very competitive because everyone wants to win. No one really likes to lose. But when I'm in a debate round, all I can really think of is, okay, are my flows right? Have I refuted this argument? And being able to have sort of a way with words to be able to get your point across to the judge and to the other team.
You just said that.
I debated in high school and in college, and I did appreciate the development opportunities that it gave to me. And you don't see many urban schools in debate. The business community took to it wonderfully, including the Texas Bar and Dallas Bar Foundations, and private citizen support has been incredible.
I've learned a lot from debate, actually. I learned that having an intelligent debate is not arguing. You have to actually supply facts.
I also serve as a judge at the debate tournament, and what I look for is how well the students respond to the question, if they are on topicality, also the stock issue. They talk about disadvantages, advantages.
This year we were fortunate to send 2 teams to the Chase National Championship, one from W.T. White, the other from Carter High School. We wish them all the best at Chicago. I think we're going to surprise a lot of people, and we're really going to show that Dallas is the new face of Urban Debate League.
Wow, 2 teams going to the National Urban Debate Championships in Chicago in their very first year? That's incredible. Our congratulations goes out to W.T. White and David W. Carter High Schools for this esteemed honor.
And way to go Sunset High School for being named as an alternate.
What a great opportunity for Dallas ISD students. A well-deserved thank you goes out to the Dallas Urban Debate League Advisory Board.
And to the business, legal, and nonprofit communities in Dallas for their invaluable support. For School Zone Dallas, I'm Kirby.
And I'm Isaac.